So question 173 is nitration of aniline in strong acidic medium also gives M-nitroaniline because okay. So here aniline is undergoing nitration in strong acidic medium. Okay. So after this process we are getting M-nitroaniline. So we have to state the reason why M-nitroaniline is also formed. Okay, just a minute. So here, what is the process? Nitration, okay, of aniline. We'll also see the structure of aniline in strong acidic medium. So means H plus ions will play very crucial role here. And what are we getting? M is meta nitroaniline. So meta, para, these are positions. Okay, I hope you already know. Okay. So let's see the solution. Okay, so this is the aniline NH2 ion on the benzene. Okay, and this is the anilinium ion. So what is the difference between aniline and anilinium ion? So here we have NH2 and here we have NH3 plus. Okay, so why this has become NH3 plus? Because of H plus ions. As it is stated in the question that nitration is done in the acidic medium, so H plus ions comes into the picture here. Okay, so basically what happens is these NH3 plus ions, these are meta directing. Okay, so hence besides para and ortho product. Okay, so basically we have three types of positions in cyclic. One is meta, one is para, and third one is ortho. Okay, so here 51% para products are formed, 2% ortho, and besides them 47% meta product is also formed. Okay. Thank you.